Hey everyone, today in this video I'll show you how can you easily use the Flux AI model, so let's jump right into it. First, go to your browser and go to pinocchio.computer and then tap on download. From this page, since I'm using a PC, a Windows, go ahead and tap on download for Windows. Once the download starts, you go ahead and install the file and it should look like this. You go ahead and tap on discover. From here, search for Flux. You should find it under Flux Web UI, tap on it. And you'll need to install some files, so basically you need to download them first. The downloading might take a while because it's close to 20 gigabytes, but once you do that, you can use Flux AI right here to generate high quality AI images very easily, very quickly. It's very good, guys. It is worth the wait. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.